Hello, good day everyone. My name is Issa Awawu Yetunde. I'm from Kwara State, Nigeria. I recently completed my MSc degree in chemistry at SRM University-AP in India. I chose SRM University because of its strong academic reputation, modern research facilities, and its commitment to innovation. Here in SRM, the faculty members, the students, the IR, they are very kind and supportive. Throughout my program here, they guide me through my courses, what to do, even though I came late, but I was able to cover up and meet up with the standard. So it's really been a rewarding experience. The campus is very welcoming and inclusive. When I first got here, I felt very respected and supportive. The faculty members are very approachable, knowledgeable, and they're always willing to guide students, both academically, personally, and they help you with your personal growth. SRM University has provided me with an excellent academic training, research opportunities, which has helped me improve, strengthen my knowledge, and my practical skills in chemistry, because that is the course I'm doing here. And the university also encourages students to participate in seminar works, research activities, conferences, in which when you present and you get the best award, you're being rewarded for that. So that alone, it helps to develop your potentials through that experience. Students from Nigeria, from other countries, what I will say to you is that SRM is a wonderful place for you to study and a place for you to grow. It's a place in which a platform of success is being achieved. If you stay focused, determined, you will achieve whatever you want. My journey so far here, it's been a life-changing experience, which has helped me build myself academically, professionally, and personally. Thank you to SRM for being part of my academic process. I will say thank you to India, thank you to Africa. God bless everybody. Thank you.